Hi, Mom.
Hi,
What do you have in your hand right there?
I have an old encyclopedia.
Who bought those?
I did,
Oh,
of course.
do you remember what year you bought those?
Huh?
When did you start buying encyclopedias?
Oh, when you were when you started school? So probably when you're in first grade or
So in the 70s,
yeah, 70.
1970, maybe 1975,
Oh
76.
yeah.
But you started buying those a long time ago then, yeah?
Really, yeah.
And you kept them. Which one do you have there?
I have volume. It's Funk and Wagnall's New Encyclopedia, and it is volume 19.
What is the letters on that volume?
P F I T Z and PUNIC.
Yeah, that was my favorite one. Want to guess why?
This is your favorite? Yeah, because there's a page here in that mention the Philippines.
Yeah, that was the only one. You want to open it up? We'll look at it. That's the only several pages that write about the Philippines.
Republic of the Philippines.
Yeah, and it's actually about the Philippines, not Filipinos in the United States, right?
No.
Yeah. And then that's out of many books, many encyclopedias, right?
Oh yeah, there's quite a bit. How many volumes do we have? It's quite a bit. I have a whole shelf of them.
Well, thank you for buying those, but we didn't really have that much about Filipinos in the United States there.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, surprise! I want you to open up this box. I'll hand me that one. I'll hold it. Okay, thank you.
This box.
Yeah, this box, because I know you love encyclopedias so much. You bought so many for us growing up, little by little.
Because we don't have any, like right now, all you have to do is go Google. We don't have that before. Everything should be, by the book.
Look at that.
Okay.
What's in there, Mom?
What's in here?
Is it some shoes? I'm just kidding.
Oh, there's another box.
Oh, there's another box. It's like YouTube where you keep unraveling. Okay.
This is a set. Don't separate.
Okay, don't separate.
Okay, let me just hold this.
Okay.
My goodness.
I feel like I'm the last one to get them.
Huh?
It took a long time for me to get these. It also took a really long time to make them. Okay, there we go. Wow.
What is that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Look at that, Mom.
wow. Filipino American Studies. Wow.
Be careful with the books when you open it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Watch your fingers, Mom. Look at that.
There's two of them. Oh,
Volume 1 and Volume 2.
oh, there's volume. Oh my gosh.
What do you think, Mom?
So nice. Oh my God.
From that one little section or one little entry
I know.
to now there's 350 entries
Wow.
on Filipina XO American
Oh
Studies.
my gosh. How long did it take to you guys to make this?
Several years, Mom,
Wow.
and a huge community of people. Almost, I think probably over 300 people were involved.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. How you
Kevin,
feeling?
Allison and EJR. Wow, I'm gonna read this from cover to cover. I like to read. Oh my gosh. So nice.
Thank you, Mom, for opening
We are
it.
so proud of you, you guys, whoever started this. Oh, I saw Dawn. Oh my God.